Hey guys, Kyle Roberts here from Horizon Hobby, and we're going to do another unboxing here. Real quick, this is actually the E-flite Maule M7 1.5 meter, and we actually announced this probably in the middle of the summer 2018, but we just got one, we as in the social team, so we want to do a quick unboxing video. This is a really good like park flyer for intermediate pilots. Not necessarily a trainer, but certainly could probably be a second or third plane for sure for almost anyone. This is the bind and fly basic version, so all you would need is a DSMX controller and a charged battery. And this takes a 2200 to 3200 3 or 4S LiPo pack with an EC3. So let's go ahead and get this guy opened. Actually, you know what? Let's show you the back of the box before I open it. Nice little scene. And as you probably saw from the front, this actually comes with floats. This is one of the rare planes that has floats included, which is pretty cool. It's nice, just a nice touch. One less thing you have to worry about buying if you plan on flying more than one place, I should say. Let's see if I can get this sliding out here. Oh yeah, very nice packaging here. As you can see right away, we got the floats positioned right on top. We're gonna put the box out of the way here. Actually really nicely packaged. I'm kind of impressed here. Let's go ahead and start peeling some tape here. That way we don't take up too much of your time. These are the struts for the floats themselves. Get these guys out of the way. Looks like this is our bag with the bind plug and probably the screws for assembly, because you will have to do a little bit of assembly. There's no glue required here, which is nice, so probably just need a Phillips head screwdriver and just general building accessories to get this thing up in the air. So let's go ahead and peel this also. Another cool feature, check that out. Steerable rudder. Very nice. No strings, no cables. Directly wires up to the plane. Nice little touch there. Looks like we got our manual tucked in here. I'm going to put this on the other side here. We're running out of table space quickly here. See what we got here. Very nice. Gives you a really good idea of how big this plane actually is. It's kind of, looking at the box, it kind of looks like it's like a regular, maybe just over 1 meter, but this actually kind of gives you a good little sneak peek of how big this thing's actually going to be once it's assembled. Slide the fuselage out here first. Very nice detail in here. As you can see, there's a pilot figure. The dash actually has some gauges. Just a nice little sticker there, and it looks like the wings will plug right in. I'm sure those just pivot out. Plug in your aileron and flaps. This has both of those, which is pretty sweet. Here's your tail wheel, which looks like it will fasten, and looks like Max is pointing down for me. Oh, what's that down there? That's pretty cool. We're ready. We're out of space here, guys. See if I can get everything out and get this box out here. Wings, yes. Nice little supports. Kind of not really so much structural as much as they are just kind of scale. And actually, you know what? It's going to show you the nice flap servo, aileron servos. So you will need a 6-channel radio for this guy if you want to use Safe Select and the flaps. Is that it? Nope, almost. Spinner. Get this guy out of here. And yes. Okay, we're good. Flip this guy over, see what Max is pointing to. Looks like the landing gears actually hit it on the bottom. So guys, don't forget about that. Your actual landing gears on the bottom. Nice big Tundra style tires. Would be great at your local park. Probably don't need to have a super groomed or flat surface for that, which is nice. And let's kind of gather all this back in for you guys here. Runs on 3 and 4S, so if it's your kind of your first couple flights with this guy, might be useful to do a 3S, just to kind of familiarize yourself familiarize yourself with it. But then obviously, like most of us are going to jump right up to a 4S. I just took off that hatch there. It's just got this nice little release here. And as I mentioned before, this does have safe select. So you can either bind it without safe, and it will fly just with the AS3X stabilization, or you can bind it with safe select, and then if you are a new pilot or someone who just wants a little extra insurance when you're landing or taking off, or kind of use it as a panic button, which some of us do, you have safe select, sign it to a switch on your radio, you're good to go. I'm trying to take this guy off down here, but it's a super tough thing here to do. There we go. Boom, and there's your, that's kind of why I was leading into the safe select AS3X, but there's your receiver plugged in right there. Nice and easy to get to for binding. Yeah, good deal. Make sure, if we didn't cover anything, let us know in the comments, or go to horizonhobby.com, and all the answers will be there. If not, we will help you find the answer. So without further ado, we will let you guys go. Stay tuned, and see you guys next time.